Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate strong passwords. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply generate strong passwords, then you need to be careful that you're generating a 16 plus long characters, random and unique strings for every account using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and utilize your symbols as well. To generate strong passwords, you can use password managers to generate and store them safely. Alternatively, you can use passphrases like correct horse battery staple, something like that that is very unrelated to you, or something very not common to be guessed for security that is easy to remember. Now, you can use password manager tools like 1Password, LastPass, or Bitwarden, which automatically generate and securely store unique password, removing the need to remember them. So this way you can generate strong passwords. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.